started working on a very bold idea.
50,000 is just not a number.
What a moment for all of us at Revolt.
It's a proud milestone. It gives me a feeling of my destiny.
In 2019, Revolt started working on a very bold idea that was to build India's first electric motorcycle. And I'm proud to say that we have achieved a milestone of 50,000 electric motorcycles. This is such a fond memory. My kid sitting as a pillion rider, taking test ride of the first vehicle which was rolled out in Feb 23. And he was so excited, and he came home and told everybody that my father is actually building an actual bike.
50,000. It's a proud milestone, not just because we hit 50,000 as a number, but what we have done in the background to make it possible. The work that we are doing now, whether it is about building in-house call center, engaging our dealer community, improving the customer experience, these are all the things that we are actually doing to make our company, our organization future ready.
50,000 bikes. What a moment for all of us at Revolt. From each engineer, dealer, support function, everyone has come together to make this happen. This milestone belongs to all of us. Let's accelerate to the next breakthrough together. This is just the beginning.
50,000 is just not a number. It is 50,000 family, it is 50,000 customers. Our bike has traveled across the lengths and breadths of India. What makes me really happy is when our customers proactively share their stories on social media, reach out to us and saying that, hey, today I traveled about 50 kilometers. Hey, till date I have traveled about 1,000 plus kilometers. I have clocked 25,000 kilometers till date. This is a proud moment for me and my company. This is just the beginning. There is more to come.
When I first heard about 50,000 vehicle, the first thing that came to my mind was the long hours of the RV1 Plus design. It also reminds me of the passion of our engineers, how my engineers were working on the line and how we were delivering a bike. When I see that bike on a road, I tell my father and I tell my 7-year-old daughter that this is designed by me.
For me, 50,000 is not a number, it's a milestone, and it's a reflection of the customer trust who believed in Revolt. We believe motorcycle is the future of electric mobility in India. I feel Revolt is a bit of a dark horse. We are not the flashiest brand, but we are delivering consistently our performance and trust to our customers while surprising everyone with our capabilities.
So I can proudly say that we are ISO 9000 and 2015 certified company, achieving the 50,000 milestone with standard setup SOPs and procedures.
I still remember we have started from just 5 networks in 3 cities, and now we have 200 plus networks across India. We have faced lot of challenges, बहुत सारे चैलेंज से हम लोग की मार्केट के लिए नए थे, हम रिवोल्ट एज रिवोल्ट, और लोगों को ट्रस्ट नहीं था क्या ब्रांड है, कहाँ से आया है। लोगों को ट्रस्ट दिलाना, उनको टेस्ट राइड देना, उनको कॉन्फिडेंस देना, उनको अच्छी सर्विसेज देना, राइट टाइम पे पार्ट देना। दिस इज स्टार्ट फॉर अस and we have a lot more to achieve. We will definitely achieve 1 lakh and then 2 lakhs and then so on.